Fellow Biafrans, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you wherever you are listening to me this very moment. From here in Nigeria, I say to you good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Depends on your time zone. Without taking much of your time, I want to inform you that the way I'm looking at Madden and the Kanu's case is not the way many people may be seeing it. I'm seeing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's case to be a child's play to Nigeria government. Nigeria government is playing cha-cha, playing gambling with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's life. All right? All these angles, they are going to call witness, to bring you witness, this and that. Do you think that it is necessary? If you think that it is necessary, then throw your opinion. We want to see your opinion on the comment section. Heaven and earth knows, even devil knows that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. He is not a terrorist. And listen to me, and listen carefully. Now, you know, Federal High Court of Nigeria have thrown the issue of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's, DSS custody away by telling Nigeria government to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to go unconditionally. So now, why are they still looking for evidence, looking for terrorist calendar, terrorist, this is an eyesore, this is a uselessness, if you permit me. Nigeria is a useless country. And those who are supporting Nigerian politicians and judiciary against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu are insane. They are insane. They didn't find any fault in him, so why not let him go? United Nations Human Rights Organization have told you early that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. The way you illegally kidnapped him and brought him back to Nigeria makes the whole matter to die and faceless. Let me tell you one revelation you don't know. That revelation is that Americans are watching, Canada is watching, Asia countries are watching, European countries are watching, African countries are watching. How they want to end with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You know the reason? Because UN has given order from the beginning, release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and compensate him adequately. Release him unconditionally and compensate him adequately for infringing his human right. Is that not enough reason? Because there's no law on earth that supersedes UN order. There is no any order that supersedes UN order. Are you getting me now? So now, what are they looking for from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? They want to kill him. But where now it is choking Nigeria on the neck is because Americans have ordered for his release 4 or 5 years ago. And Nigeria government carefully violated the order, violated the law, refusing to release him. Are you getting it where the problem is now? So they are watching to see the reason why they don't want to release him. What is on their mind? What makes their mind strong? Why they don't want to release him? As Americans have given them order. So, my dear brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say this very moment, I believe it will make sense to the wise ones. So, now they are pushing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to the wall, just pressing him and oppressing him. So, now, to the extent now that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have to provide his arch enemies for a witness. Look at Malami, Abubakar Malami, the ex-Minister of Justice of Nigeria and Attorney General. So Malami was the one in the front line to make sure that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is killed. Malami and Buhari. Don't forget this in a hurry. And also Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma is now to bear witness for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And Malami now is the one to stand for witness for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So my question now is, what kind of witness are these two people going to bear for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? You know that when Federal High Court of Nigeria discharged and acquitted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu of all the terrorism offenses and what have you, it was Hope Uzodinma that wrote a letter to Malami to make sure that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not released. He paid Malami millions of naira to make sure that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not released. And at the end, Malami said, for this reason, for that reason, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. He has other different related offenses charges he has to go through. If you are a reasonable Nigerian, if you are a reasonable Biafran, if you are a reasonable Igbo person, you will second the motion of what I'm saying. That accurately, that is what actually happened. Hope Uzodinma is the one who paid the money and wrote a letter to Malami and Buhari that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. And Malami came and told Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that he will die and rotting in the DSS custody. I'm making this video for you who is going to listen to it and watch it. Make it go viral. Make this video go viral. Why should your worst enemy be your witness? You may tell me that I don't know what it means, that it is for the favor of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Then I will tell you I objected to it, because nothing good will come out from Malami and Hope Uzodinma to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. We all know how Malami, Abubakar Malami, and Buhari joined hands together to destroy Nigeria. Abubakar Malami and late Buhari joined hands together to destroy Nigeria and to kill Biafrans. Some of the Biafrans who are not dead and they are not alive are still in the custody either of the police or DSS or in the prison somewhere in Nigeria where they stock them. and feeding them with the bread of affliction and evil water. What do you have to say to this? So, permit me, in my own opinion, I didn't see any sense it makes as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nominated 23 witnesses, both from home and abroad, to come and testify for him. Your enemies cannot help you. And what I'm trying to say in this very place is that Malami will not come. Rather, he will fly out of the country because Malami knows the damages he has done to Nigeria and Nigerians. Malami and Buhari they are the ones who make life unbearable and terrible for innocent Nigerians. I'm not only fighting for Biafrans, I'm fighting for Nigerians because that is where I come from. Yes, it is something that warranted people talking about the Biafra nation because of the acute hatred and decisive destructions from Buhari and Malami, marginalization of